Welcome to our channel, where today we delve into the fascinating world of project management. Specifically, we're going to demystify the three main components that define a project. Whether you're a seasoned project manager or just starting out, understanding these elements is crucial for success. First, let's talk about scope. The scope of a project outlines all the work required to complete it successfully. It's the master blueprint that ensures every team member knows their role, every task is accounted for, and the project's objectives are clear and achievable. Defining the scope involves determining the project's boundaries and setting specific goals. This prevents scope creep, where the project begins to expand beyond its original intentions. Without a well-defined scope, projects can quickly become unmanageable. Next up is time. Time management is the backbone of any successful project. This involves creating a detailed schedule that specifies when each task should start and finish, ensuring the project stays on track. Proper time management allows for the efficient allocation of resources and helps identify potential bottlenecks before they become significant issues. Gantt charts, critical path methods, and other scheduling tools can be invaluable in mapping out a realistic timeline and keeping the project on schedule. Finally, we have cost. Every project comes with a budget, and staying within it is often a top priority. The cost component involves estimating all the financial resources needed to complete the project, tracking expenditure, and making adjustments as necessary. Cost management is not just about cutting expenses, but also about investing wisely to achieve the project's goals. Accurate cost estimation requires an understanding of both direct and indirect costs, and it often involves contingencies to handle unexpected expenses. In summary, the three main components that define a project, scope, time, and cost, are interconnected and equally vital. Mastering the balance among them requires careful planning, constant monitoring, and proactive management. By doing so, you'll not only complete projects successfully, but also build a foundation for future project management success. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into effective project management.